Hey, my name's Steve, Army veteran, and just had my first experience with Pink Tech Plumbing, and just want to say how grateful I am for what they've done for me and for my family. Not just the service, which was great, but for the discounts they passed along to me as a veteran, and just how that blessed me and my family during a time when it was tough. And anytime there's plumbing issues, it's just you want to get stuff fixed as quickly and as efficiently as possible. They did an awesome job, so couldn't recommend them enough, and how they support and care for the veteran community here in the Tri-Cities.